PH 000. Now it's gonna be 3 screws. Like you're playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot, you do it 3 times. Rock, paper, scissors, 3 times. 3 screws, and they're gonna be small screws too. Small screws. So keep that in mind when you're disassembling it, that these will always be the small ones. No more here. Now, this metal piece is just pretty much the case. Pretty much just the case. So you can take that off and it might be still held on by this glue. Might just keep it in place. You can put that here, just keep it there. Now, what's next is this assembly right here for this camera. And you're going to keep in mind that these pieces, these 4 gold discs, will attach to these 4 gold connectors. So that's how you remember that it goes here. And it fits right over here to this hole. Take that back. Now what's next is going to be this assembly. Oh, I actually have like a little input port, and as you can see right here, that's where it would go into. Now what's next? Let me see if I can remember. Okay, what's next is this. So this is the next part of the camera assembly that will just come up. It will have its own place, so you can't really forget where it goes because it'll have its own place. But remember that not this part will fold over. Let me extend it. So you see how it's folded? It'll just fold over itself and go into that place. So don't extend it, fold it over, and it'll go right here. And so it'll fold right over there, just like that. Now you can put this back into its connection port, lining up the holes, because you'll see the holes for the screws. So you can line them up. Put this camera assembly over, so remember that these 4 gold discs will touch these 4 connectors. Put that over, and now you're good to screw everything back in. I may be missing something. Oh, you know what? I am missing something. I totally forgot my connection, my tray. Getting this right here. Put this over here. Put this right there. Connection port over it. Touch the connectors. Line these up. Okay, now all of them back in place, and that's done.